Today we are going to see a very simple and interesting topic called cryptography. Cryptography is a communication between two people by keeping the information not knowing to others. Now let us see the application of matrix to cryptography. Suppose a sender wants to send a message, for example help. The corresponding coding value for this plain text we have to assign. So just assigning the values 1 to 26 for the alphabets A to Z. Correspondingly we get the value for help, for H 8 and E it's 5 and for L it's 12 and for P it's 16. We call this as coded text and we call this message as plain text. So if we directly send this coded text, anyone can retrieve the message easily. So for that we are introducing a key matrix which is of non-singular square matrix whose determinant value not equal to 0. So there are two processes involved in this cryptography. One is encryption, another one is decryption. Encryption is always done at the sender end. First, this coded text is converted into a row matrix 8, 5. This row matrix is then multiplied with the key matrix 1, 1, 1, 2. After multiplying, we get the encoded matrix. It's a simple multiplication. It is multiplied with the first column of this matrix. So 8 into 1 is 8 and 5 into 1 is plus 5. So 8 plus 5 will get 13 and this again multiplied with the second column of the key matrix. So 8 is multiplied with this 1 will get 8 and 5 is multiplied with 2 we get 10. So 8 plus 10 will get you the 18. Similarly, the second row of the coded text, so second row matrix is multiplied with the again key matrix. 12 is multiplied with the first column of the key matrix. So 12 into 1 is 12 and 16 into 1 is plus 16. And again 12 into 1 is 12 here and 16 into 2 will get you 32. After adding the values, we will get you the matrix 28, 44. And these two matrices are called encoded row matrix. So, after that, the second process called decryption process. It is done at the receiver end. For that, we have to find the inverse of the key matrix. So, without this key, the receiver cannot retrieve the message. So, first we have to find the inverse of the key matrix. Just interchange the elements of the leading diagonal. The 2 will comes to the first element here and 1 will comes to the second row of the second element. And the other diagonal just change the sign. 1 will become minus 1 and this one will become minus 1. So the decoding process, the encoded matrix is then multiplied with the inverse key matrix. So the multiplication is simple, as 13 is multiplied with 2, so 26. 18 into minus 1 will give you minus 18 and 13 into minus will give you minus 13. 18 into 1 will give you 18. So the final answer is 8, 5. The original message what we have got is 8 is H and 5 is E. Similarly, the next encoded row matrix is multiplied with the inverse key matrix. So 28 into 2 will give you 56 and 44 into minus 1 will give you minus 44 and 24 into minus 1 will give you minus 28 and 44 is multiplied with 1 will give you plus 44. So 56 minus 44 will give you 12 and minus 28 plus 44 will give you 16. So the alphabet corresponding for the coded value is L and alphabet corresponding value for the 16 is P. So the final message what we have sent initially help is we got here.